Hello, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, good. Okay, today we are going to do Unit 4 and we are going to look in the online book because you can access the book, okay? And we are going to revise the vocabulary. Are you ready? Okay.
Ball.
Ball, repeat ball.
Ball.
Very good.
Car.
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 Very good.
Doll.
Doll.
Doll. Game console.
Game console.
Game console.
Very good.
Plane.
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 Robot.
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 Very good.
Scooter.
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 Scooter. Come on, repeat. Teddy bear.
Teddy.
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 Very good.
Circle.
Circle. Come on, with your hands. Circle.
Circle.
Good.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Square.
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 Good.
Triangle.
Triangle. Come on, repeat.
Triangle.
Well done! Now that we have revised the vocabulary of the Unit 4, we are going to the online book to Unit 4. Is it a plane? And we are going to start in page 38, activity number 1, which is
listen, point, and repeat.
and we are going to listen, we are going to point, and we are going to repeat. Are you ready?
Ball.
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 Can you see the ball in the picture? Well
Ball.
done.
Scooter.
Scooter.
Scooter. Scooter.
Can you see the scooter in the picture? Well
Scooter.
done. Very good. And now you continue individually in your house, okay? Your dad and mom can help you, okay? Papás y mamás, ahora podéis ayudar a vuestros hijos a que continúen con el resto de palabras que siguen en esta actividad adquiriendo el libro online. And now we are going to continue with the second activity. In the second activity, we are going to watch a video.
Listen and chant.
I want you to watch the video in your houses, with your families, okay? Mamás y papás, este vídeo lo veis en casa, no tiene ningún sentido que lo ponga yo ahora aquí, lo podéis ver sin problema, okay? Thank you. And when you finish watching the video, we go to the activity book, and in the activity book, we go to Unit 4, and in this unit, we are going to do the first page. In this page, we have to match, unir, remember, we have to match the dolls, the different vocabulary, doll, scooter, car, with the pictures we have here. And we have to trace, repasar, las words, el vocabulary, doll, scooter, okay, with your pencil, you have to write it, and then you have to make a line, you have to match, unir, remember, the different vocabularies with the pictures that is in here. For example, teddy, you make a line from teddy to the teddy. Or for example, the plane to the plane. Okay? And as an extra activity, if you have more time, you've got this poster and you've got the words of the vocabulary here. Robot, car, teddy, game console, doll, scooter, plane, and ball. And you can make a line from ball to ball. For example, plane to plane, okay? And I've got a PDF document, un documento PDF, with all the vocabulary, con todo el vocabulario. Pues si en casa tenéis impresora y lo podéis imprimir para que lo puedan tener en grande y colorearlo, ¿ok? Este es el documento, and in this document you have the words and the pictures and the drawings, so they can color all the pictures. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson. Bye bye!